Burnout isn't a rest problem. Everyone tells you to take a holiday, to get more sleep, to do more self-care, but here's what's actually happening. Burnout is your body refusing to keep supporting a life where you abandon yourself every day. Every time you say yes when you mean no is a micro trauma to your nervous system. Every time you ignore the exhaustion you feel and push through is an act of self-betrayal. And every time you make yourself smaller so others can feel bigger is another moment you abandon yourself, and your body is always keeping the score. And now it's saying, I don't trust you not to abandon me again. Your burnout isn't actually burnout. It's your body finally refusing to keep participating in your own abandonment. And I know this because I've seen it and I've lived it. 25 years in corporate, supporting 100,000 people through change. Success on paper, always pushing myself to the next goal, the next achievement. And my body tried to tell me for years, first in whispers, I'm tired, I need rest. And I ignored it. Then louder, I'm really tired, this pace isn't sustainable. I pushed through, and then yelling, I'm burnt out, I can't do this anymore. I optimized, I managed symptoms and added some self-care, but kept going until my body finally screamed, I'm done. I'm collapsing you into the change you're too scared to make. And it did. Frozen shoulder, clinical anemia, deep exhaustion, sleep wouldn't fix. My body forced the ending. I couldn't and wouldn't choose myself. Because the thing is, your body is your best friend. It's your messenger, asking you to be softer, kinder, gentler to yourself. It's not betraying you, it's trying to save you. And right now, your body is begging you to stop abandoning yourself. So for the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to listen, how to come back to safety, how to rebuild trust with the person who matters most, you. Because the greatest relationship you can ever nurture is the one with yourself. And now you're opening up to that. Let's talk about what your body is actually trying to tell you. Your body is talking loudly because maybe you've been ignoring the whispers. That exhaustion that sleep doesn't fix. That's not just tiredness. That's your body saying, I'm depleted, not from the work, from living a life that violates who you are. Your tight chest on Sunday nights, that's not anxiety. That's your body saying, I don't feel safe here. This isn't right. The brain fog, the inability to focus, the constant overwhelm, that's not burnout. That's your nervous system going, I can't keep pretending this is fine. I'm shutting down non-essential systems that force you to stop. Your body's not your enemy, it's your alarm system. And here's what it's alarming you about. Every time you override your no, you're teaching your body, my boundaries don't matter. Every time you perform fine when you're not, you're teaching your body, my truth isn't safe. Every time you abandon your needs to keep everyone else comfortable, you're teaching your body, I don't matter. And your body logs it all, every single time. The anxiety you may be feeling now, that's not about your job, your boss, or your workload. That's your body saying, I don't trust you not to abandon me again. Because you've abandoned yourself so many times, your body doesn't believe you'll protect it anymore. So it's protecting itself by burning out, by refusing to keep going, by forcing you to listen. And here's the truth no one tells you. You can't rest your way out of self-abandonment. Rest is a gift, always, of course, but if you go back to the same job or the same relationship and immediately start abandoning yourself again by saying yes when you mean no, by ignoring your body's signals, by performing versions of yourself that aren't real, burnout will come back, because the problem isn't the work or the relationship. The problem is that you're not safe in your own life. Your nervous system is on high alert because you keep betraying yourself, and it doesn't know when the next betrayal is coming. So it stays activated on red alert, waiting, watching, exhausted, activated. Burnout is what happens when the gap between who you are and who you're pretending to be gets too wide. So the question isn't, how do I recover from burnout? The question is, am I ready to stop abandoning myself? Wherever you are right now, in bed, on the sofa, at your desk, in the car, you don't have to move. We're going to do something simple. We're going to check in with your body, because your body has been trying to talk to you and you've been too busy to listen. So let's listen now. Place one hand or both hands with tenderness on your heart. Feel the warmth of your hand. Feel your heartbeat beneath your palm and whisper, I'm here. I'm listening now. Now, where are you holding your burnout? Maybe your chest feels tight. Place your hand there. Give yourself warmth, softness. Maybe your shoulders are near up to your ears, holding the weight of the world. Gently drop them. Soften. Maybe your stomach is in knots. Rest your hand there. Breathe into it. Maybe your jaw is clenched. Soften it. Let it go. Just notice. Don't fix it. Just acknowledge, I see you. I feel you. I'm not abandoning you anymore. Your body has been screaming for your attention and you're finally here. That's trust. That's coming home to yourself. Now let's help your body remember what safety feels like. We're going to breathe together, not to fix anything, just to say to your nervous system, the emergency is over. You can rest now. Place your hands on your belly or your heart, wherever feels most comforting, and breathe in slowly for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Feel your belly rise. Hold gently for 4. Breathe out slowly for 6. Feel your belly full, that longer exhale. That's you telling your nervous system, I'm safe. I can let go. Again, breathe in for 4. I am here. Hold for 4. Breathe out for 6. I am safe. One more time. Breathe in for 4. I've got me. Hold for 4. Breathe out for 6. I'm not abandoning you anymore. Feel that? Your heart rate is slowing. Your shoulders are dropping. Your body is beginning to settle because you're finally listening. If tears come, let them. That's your nervous system releasing everything it's been holding while you're in survival mode. Take a deep breath in and sigh it out loudly. Again, a long, loud sigh. Your body is discharging the weight it's been carrying. Bring your hands back to your heart. Warm, tender, loving. You're here now, and your body feels that I've got you. Here's what you can do every day. Each morning before anything else, put your hands on your heart. 3 breaths in. Say out loud, I am safe. I am here for myself. Today I choose me, not everyone else. This teaches your body you matter. Your needs matter. I'm listening now. Throughout the day, when you feel the exhaustion hit, pause, hand on heart, ask your body, what do you need right now? Listen. The first thing that comes, that's your answer. Maybe water, movement, rest, softness, to leave the meeting, to say no, to walk away from disrespectful conversations, disrespectful people. Honor that. Even if it's small, show your body you're listening. That's how you rebuild trust, one honored signal at a time. Every evening before you sleep, hands on your heart. I did enough today. I did my best. I am enough. My body is healing slowly, gently. I'm learning to stop abandoning myself. I've got me. This is the work, not more productivity, not better time management. Learning to be trustworthy to yourself. Because here's what I need you to hear. You will recover from this. Not by going back to the life that burnt you out, but by building a new one. A life where you say no when you mean no. You surround yourself with people, places, and things that nourish and nurture you. You honor your body's signals before they become screams. You stop performing versions of yourself that aren't real. You choose yourself, not just everyone else. A life where you don't need to constantly recover because you're fully aligned with who you actually are. And I know that's terrifying because that means disappointing people, setting boundaries, saying goodbye, letting go of what's familiar, choosing yourself even when it feels selfish. But here's the truth. Staying small to keep others comfortable isn't love, it's self-betrayal. And you've been betraying yourself for long enough. Your body is done. It's asking you, begging you to finally choose yourself. So the question isn't, can I recover from burnout? The question is, am I ready to stop abandoning myself? You don't have to answer that today. For now, just rest. Let your body settle. Give yourself the softness, the love, the tenderness you've been giving everyone else so freely. And know this, your body is your best friend. It's not punishing you with burnout. It's saving you from a life that was killing you slowly. Listen to it. Trust it. Honor it. That's where your healing lives.